Yeah, sorry about that. It's just because I'm using my mom's phone, so, and the battery. Jared, stop with the glasses.
You got
He's using spy gear glasses. So, night vision goggles, whatever.
Wait, what happened? Where hit the power
Oh my freaking god, saw that?
Whoa!
If you saw that, if you wanted to see that because it happened real quick, I'm not sure if I got that, but just rewind this video. So, oh my freaking god.
Mommy's door is unlocked. You can go through there.
Oh, they can't rob them.
OD. Yeah, so that's it. That's probably it. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep recording. But if this thunder keeps happening, I'm probably going to keep recording. So. Yeah, so.
Like 5 hours.
Okay, some fireworks are still happening, but they're going to end soon, so.
The first ones, Chris and Jonathan.
What's up for you, Kelly?
Wait.